Hello, wonderful traders. Our take profit is hit. Yes, we've gotten our full take profit on the trade I gave today. I gave a sell signal on GBP card. That is the video before this one. And our take profit has hit. Now, I would like you to try and like my videos. And also try and leave a comment on my videos. I will be reading these comments. It will help me to know those who are following the signals that I am giving. I gave the trade to my VIP members, and then I felt like giving it out to you also on the YouTube channel here for free. So if you don't appreciate me by liking my videos and also kind of leaving a comment at least, that is one of the ways you can help this channel to grow, because I'm not charging you for these free signals I'm giving here. So please, anytime you see my video, give it a like, and if you have time, please leave a comment. It will help the channel to grow. Is that okay? Thank you for taking your time to trade my signals. I also want to suggest that you should at least join my Telegram channel, which is the free channel. You can get the link at the description of all my videos. I have left the link there in all my videos. When you go to the description, you will get the link to join the free Telegram channel. The VIP one is a paid one. That one you need to pay $100 before you can join. I give signals there, and when I feel like giving some to you for free, I do it here on the channel. So whether you are in the free one or you are in the paid group, you will still benefit. Sunday, I gave 2 signals. The 2 signals, as I speak to you now, have given us all the take profit that we are looking for. The second trade, which has to do with Euro GBP, has given us the 50 TP that I requested we should all look for. But for Euro USD, you know it already. It gave us the TP straightforward on Monday. Today being Tuesday, I gave another trade, and we have all seen the outcome. Now, that doesn't mean that I get trades every day. No. There are days that I may not even get a trade. There are even weeks that I may not get a single trade in the whole week. Yes. So that is why I often do not market my channel to tell you that, come, join my VIP, I'll give you 10 signals, I'll give you 20 signals in a day, I'll give you 80-something% rate win, and no. I take my time to trade. So I wait patiently for the trade to line up the way I want it before I go in. So if the whole week a trade doesn't line up the way I want it, I don't go in. I will just have to wait. My money will just be resting in the account for me. It's better that way than for me to be in haste trying to enter more trades and I may end up losing. So I am that type of trader who is not always looking for trade to take trades, multiple trades, take 3 or 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades. No. I'm not that type of guy. But if the market gives me that opportunity, I will take it. There are weeks that I come the whole week without a single trade. Yeah, it's normal. But there are weeks too, the market will flow well and you get 2, 3, 4 or more signals. So the market is not always one way. It changes from time to time in terms of volatility. Is that okay? So please, that is the reason I always tell you I don't have that statistics when it comes to how many signals do you give in a day. No. And what is your percentage rate or your winning rate? I don't have that. So please, I'm begging you that if I don't post anything, it is not because I don't want to share. It is because I am not seeing anything. It is because I am not seeing anything. That is why I am not posting. When I begin to see something, I will post. definitely I will post. So that is that. So please make sure that anytime I leave a video here, you will at least like the video for me, or you will leave a comment for me. If you can do both, I'll be very grateful. But at least do one if you can do the two. Is that okay? Now, to continue, what I would also like to say is that the signals that I am giving, I am not compulsorily asking you to put them on your live account. You can do this on the demo account for a while to see how successful these signals will be before you choose to put them on your live account. And let me also say that the fact that the trades I am giving are giving us profit all the time doesn't mean that all the signals I will give profit. There are days that I lose. And so if I share a signal with you and it goes in a loss, it means I have also lost. That is what it means. So as you are enjoying the profits, don't be greedy. Some of you might think that, oh, once Kofi Dollar calls out a signal, once Kofi calls out a signal, it is 100% sure. So you want to go on high risk. You want to enter multiple trades. Increase your lot sizes, please. Kofi is not giving you holy grail signals or sniper signals. No. The signals that I give are not a holy grail. So don't go that way by entering multiple trades, by going high in terms of risk, with the hope that you want to kill the market once and for all. There are days that my signals will go wrong. And when such days come and you are not careful, today you are laughing, you may end up crying. So make sure you go with the least lot sizes. Go moderate. There's nothing like you want to kill the market at once. Kill the market slowly. That is the surest way to go. Is that okay? All right. So these are the few things I want to tell you. But please subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Also like my videos. If you don't have an account, which is a live account, maybe you don't even know what broker you should register with, go to the description of my videos. You will see broker 1 up to broker 7. Choose any of them. If you're in Africa, I would suggest that you use broker 1 or broker 2. But if you are in Europe, you can use broker 5, broker 6, broker 7. And if you are in the US, you may have to look for a broker in US, because US brokers do not allow foreign clients unless you are in the US. So those of you who are in the US, you may have to look for brokers within the United States. But if you're in Europe, and if you are in any other parts of the world, the brokers I have recommended are good brokers for you to sign up a live account with. Especially if you're in Africa, use broker 1. Sign up with broker 1. You will find the links at the description of all my videos. Is that okay? Thank you very much. My name remains Kofi. Gradually, let's see where this forex thing will take us. Please invite other friends and family. Call them to come. Tell them Kofi is doing something here. There's one guy in Ghana. He's called Kofi. He should come and see what is happening, or she should also come and taste what is happening. Together, let's see where we will go. Thank you very much. I'll give you updates as and when I get something new. Until then, take very good care of yourself. I'll see you.